Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Common and general words are used in this dictation. The paragraph is made for only shorthand dictation purpose. You are requested to please like and subscribe. Thanks. Start. Attitude of the people reflects the nature of the whole society and vary from country to country, reflecting different levels of development across countries despite similar explicit indicators. Full stop. One of the important facets of these attitudes is work culture. Full stop. People do not have a tendency to make queues. Full stop. One can find this attitude at various places such as movie theaters, grocery shops, banks, post offices, admission offices of public educational institutions, railway stations, bus stops, airports, offices of public utilities and place where admission ticket is required. Full stop. Why are people so reluctant to make queues? One thing that has to be cleared here is that this attitude has nothing to do with formal education. Full stop. It has been observed that highly educated people do not like to make queues at the bank counter that is located in the Karachi University premises. Full stop. They often tend to make a semicircle around the counter instead. Full stop. The people often violate petty rules and regulations for no apparent reasons. Full stop. For example, violations of traffic lane and signals and wrong parking are prevalent in our societies. Full stop. Consequently, it leads to tension and high blood pressure that in turn make these people lethargic, dull and less productive. Full stop. It has been well documented in literature that workers in less developed countries are less productive than workers in developed nations. Full stop. Also, workers in less developed countries work for fewer hours in a year compared to workers in a developed nations. Full stop. This undermines the economic development and creates poverty and income inequality. Full stop.